Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, not uMaNgwabe calling uSamke indirectly as umuntu ongekho sane ekhanda. Cause uMaNgwabe says in her diary session, akekho umuntu osane ongayeka umsebenzi etshela ukuthi ayeke umsebenzi. I'm just like, Mangwabe, who called you ngomuntu ongekho sane ngesikhathi you believed that uMusa was not going to take a wife after you? That time uGuy has how many wives before you? That was just so funny to hear. I just kind of feel like if the wives want to be a big sister uSamke and give her advice about whether she should stay, what she should do, she shouldn't have left her work or whatnot. Abamamkele into the Mselegu family and then be bigger sister wives to her. Maybe she will listen to them when it's coming from a place where they've accepted her into the family. It seems like they're busy laughing at uSamke that she might have made a stupid move for marrying Ikehla, for marrying this man who doesn't have money and whatnot, of which most of us have said that, you guys. But at the end of the day, it's Samke's life. And I just kind of feel like if you're not willing to accept a wife, then I don't want to be hearing you make comments about that wife and what she should have done. Just keep quiet. Samke, keep quiet or refrain from making comments about Samke. And let her come and make her own mistakes, bandla emshade. Nangithi nani nangena after nakhuza ukuthi ningangena esithenjini nangena anyway. So let uSamke angene, guys, emshadweni wakhe. Enjoy that 2 minutes of fame or that 2 minutes of the attention from indoda yakhe, and then afterwards, guys, uzozibonela bandla, just the way as the other wives bayazibonela, and they trying to figure and maneuver life with this new version of Umselegu. Nayo uSamke uzozibonela, guys. But to be making comments ukuthi akekho sane ekhanda for making the decision that she made and still expect, guys, ukuthi uSamke is gonna come out and be respectful, guys, no. Like, sometimes we must know our limits. It's like that same thing of abantu abadala speaking anyhow and expecting the younger generation to just keep quiet. Angithi iBhayibheli liyasho ukuthi nani bazali, do not provoke your kids into anger. So when uSamke responds someday to some of the things they say which are not nice, they must not be surprised and then turn around and say which uSamke is disrespectful. Anyway, again, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.